Generally what we find is that a hospital and a physician practice group have reached a point where they're no longer working well together, and either the practice leaves voluntarily or the hospital terminates the agreement. And as an outgrowth of that, we'll have part of the physicians that will be interested in being retained and stay, and another large group of the physicians will probably leave. That leaves the hospital in need of having continuous coverage for the emergency department, and Medicus provides us with a means of filling that gap until we can get and identify other permanent physicians to join the practice. If in fact you have a practice in which there's no leadership left, which does occur, then it's very important that you have someone who can work with the nursing staff to accomplish the issues and the goals that are in front of the department at that point in time. Emergency departments run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The patient's problems and the problems of the department don't go away because the physician staff did. And so Medicus providing that interim leadership provides us with the security of knowing somebody is at least addressing those issues while we look for the permanent candidate to fill that position. By and large, their people seem to be unflappable. And what I mean by that is, even when I'm panicking, they're not. And I think that's very important for a client, because there is a sense of urgency that if you know you're running an emergency department or an OR, you have to have somebody in that position either to operate or to provide care to patients in that ER. There isn't a choice of saying, well, we're just going to close the ER for the day. They recognize that urgency. They're good at meeting that demand without creating the sense in the client that they need to panic too. And I think that's crucial. That is probably one of the most important things they can do for a hospital administrator, or for me in my position, that it's not so much relax, but we'll get it done.